Hey guys, welcome back to Do It on a Dime. If you've got a tiny kitchen in a space that you don't love, you're not gonna wanna miss this video. These 3 tricks are game changers when it comes to making a kitchen work for you. And I'm super excited about today's video because I got to work with an apartment kitchen of my friend, Zach. Zach is a singer-songwriter and a fellow mental health advocate. I saw that he also had a really small kitchen and I said, this space is perfect for Do It on a Dime. Would you lend me some of your music and I can make it over at the same time? And he was like, "Show, go for it."
Our budget, just $300, and this kitchen still needed most of the furnishings. I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it.
Is it me or is it my mistakes? Can't find my way.
The biggest question I get on a project like this is, where do I start? I would first challenge you to see more than the flaws of your home. Sometimes we get caught in the endless scroll and we feel like we can't measure up. But the conditions don't have to be ideal for you to make it yours. Clean it first. Love exactly what you have. Move a muscle, change a thought. You know what I mean?
Home is a place where that I lay my head. Guess that my home is a concrete still. But it never did feel much like home to me. Can't find my way.
Zach boldly talks about mental health, which I'm really passionate about on Do It on a Dime. Whether it's your heart or your space, it is worth the work.
Hey guys, I'm Zach Moss. I'm a singer-songwriter, live in Charlotte, North Carolina. What you just heard was a song called Hangman. It's on my debut album, Dark to Light. I also have a couple other releases and I have some more coming out. So go find it, take a listen. Thank you. Yay!
Don't need her perfect. I just need her with me.
Stop number 1 is Dollar General. Did you know they have a sister store called Pop Shelf that's curating higher end finds, the types of items that you're seeing at Crate and Barrel, Target, Container Store. Don't have a Pop Shelf near you? Dollar General carries many of these same items. And it's now cheaper than Dollar Tree in a lot of cases. This shelf liner is just $1 and it's name brand. Some of my favorites to furnish a kitchen are the cutlery. How beautiful is this? All of the glassware is just $1. I went onto Crate and Barrel's website to compare the same coloring, textures, and style. Charlie and I went shopping and we wanted to help create a really dark and moody masculine space. And don't go anywhere because I'm going to show you how we put this all together in the end, and nothing is over $5. These large food keepers are a great deal at $5, but my personal favorite are the Glad cookware. This scraper, along with these silicone spatulas, are very high quality. They range from $1 to $3. And if you're wondering what I bought, every single thing that I'm touching in this video, I ended up taking home with me. My goal was to save space, like with this magnetic trivet. I also love these pan organizers. These strainers were just $2 and the pans are cheaper than the Dollar Tree Plus section.
Far from perfect, so it must be me. They said superstar.
I'm also going to link down below for you all of the pop shelves around the nation. Remember, this is a sister store of Dollar General that's going to have these high-end finds. And Dollar General itself is going to be carrying so many of the things I'm featuring in this video. A huge trick, especially in small spaces, is lighting. I'm obsessed with magnetic puck lights that are on a timer and have a remote control. These super easily fit underneath of the cabinets. They fit on the back of the fridge. So suddenly we had a space that looked incredibly high end. Next, I headed to the Dollar Tree. My 2 favorite things right now are the giant metal baskets. These are fantastic and look so classy, especially if you're working with a small space. And while I was there, I also picked up some double-sided mounting tape. I found this works really well and is a brand new product, a part of the Jot line this year. Don't miss it. They have a new snap close lid. Be on the lookout for it. It holds 11.9 ounces of food, which is an extra large box of Cheez-Its, which turns out is actually perfect for this space.
I've been lying awake at night.
I'm in the messy middle where everything looks crazy in here, but it's gonna be good when it's done. And right now, I am grabbing this. I think this needs some drama on the wall.
Jonah lost the sea.
I'm using a guitar pick to get this out. Zach, scale 1 to 10, what do you rate it?
What, this? I've given it a strong 8, maybe a 7.5. Mainly because, you know, it changes things up, and I like that. My walls are so plain. Oh god.
Oh god.
They make it look so easy on TV.
I went to the hardware store, and for about 40 bucks we could cover this wall, and it's excellent for renters. And what I really like is this is super forgiving, so even if it doesn't go up perfectly, it's still gonna look really good, and it's renter friendly. Nobody should ever have to shop at a high-end store for a high-end look.
And I'm running from the cold. Am I reaching out? Am I searching within? Am I learning from mistakes, or am I learning how to sin? Voices echo down the mountain. Wish I could distinguish the words. I know I'm supposed to let these things guide me, but lately all I do is make it worse. Defective, what some may say. I expose my bleeding heart to prove I'm not this way. Sometimes lessons ain't so plain to see. So fix my eyes and kill my pride to quiet fear in me.
The changes in your life that you make become a reflection of you. And really, your home should be a reflection of you because it helps support all of those things. The art that I put on the wall is from Zach's album. He sent me the high-resolution image, and I sent it to CVS to have it printed in an hour and just stuck it into a poster frame. And this made the space start to tell his story.
Ooh,
it's a little dirty from the floor, but what you think?
I love it.
It was really fun to see as we made the space more personalized, how he got more and more excited to be in it.
That looks wonderful. Look at how cool that looks.
I clean it
With your hand.
with my hand, with my sleeve. If you can make it through the darkest hour, the dawn is so worth it.
can you still love me? I'm tired of running, and I'm tired of dragging you down. On this full-grown space we burn all the way to the ground. I'm tired of running, and I'm tired of dragging you down. But I'm trying to do
If nobody has told you today, you are worth it, and you are enough.
Down. We're great. I mean, the kitchen's great.